Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to present our report in analysis of sales and management. My name is Malik and I'm here with Abril and Seno. Next. So this is our company. It's BJB Sekuritas. PT BJB Sekuritas Jawa Barat is a regional securities company established in 23 November 2020 in Bandung. The company operates as a securities broker providing capital market transaction service for its client. After receiving its business license from Financial Service Authority on 29 June 2021, BJB Sekuritas obtained membership approval from Indonesia Stock Exchange on 27 September 2021, officially enabling the company to operate and serve the investment needs of public. So why do we choose BJB Securitas? Because I think it's provide direct real world application of key selling and sales concept and offers strong accessibility for primary data, including an in-depth interview with the sales manager, and represent a growing financial service company, making it an ideal case to analyze modern sales practices and team development. So these are the three methods that we use. The first one is approach. This study employ a qualitative approach through structured interview to obtain detailed insights into sales practices and sales management implementation at BJB Securitas. The second is data collection. Data were collected through an in-depth interview supported by documentation related to the company's sales activities and additional observations on how sales information is presented through official channels. The third is participant. The interview participant was Mr. Richard D. Pratama, serving as the sales manager at BJB Securitas. So these are the BJB Securitas organizational structure, and this is the BJB Securitas sales team structure. Next.
Now I'm going to explain the six element of theoretical framework. The first one is sales perspective. The role of sales as the primary driver of revenue generation. The second one is sales environment, market condition, competition, and internal organizational factors that influence sales performance. The third one is sales techniques, the method used in the selling process, including approach strategies, follow-up practice, and closing techniques. The fourth one is sales management, which include training, supervision, and target setting processes that shape how the sales team operates. Next one is sales control, the key performance indicators reporting system and monitoring mechanism used to evaluate and guide sales activities. And the last one is motivation and growth, incentive support system and opportunities for expansion that drive long-term development and motivation of sales team. Now I'm going to explain the details of the theoretical framework. The first one is sales perspective. The sales perspective at BJB Securitas focuses on the understanding client needs, delivering clear guidance, and positioning the sales team as the frontline of customers acquisition across both B2C and B2B segments. The first one is customer-centered. Prioritize education clarity and trust building for individual and institutional clients. The second one is seller versus leader, which sellers emphasize persuasive communication. Leaders focus on problem solving, innovation, and guiding the team towards collective targets. The last one is value add ethics. Maintains transparency and responsible selling in regulated financial environment. BJB Securitas applies a balanced sales perspective that combines client-focused ethical practice and leadership-driven teamwork to support sustainable and competitive performance. We move on to sales environment. The sales environment at BJB Securitas is shaped by a supportive internal culture and a dynamic external market landscape, creating conditions that require adaptability, teamwork, and continuous environment. Supportive internal culture. Team members actively help each other, maintain open communication, and create a positive atmosphere through shared activities such as sport and team gatherings. Structured week evaluation. Regular check-ins help maintain accountability, monitoring targets, and identify performance gap early. Regulated financial environment. External factors such as OJK regulation, Market competition and investor behavior require the team to maintain discipline, accuracy, and compliance. Growing digital market. Increased digital platforms and fintech competitors push the sales team to enhance product literacy and customer engagement strategies. BJB Securitas operates in a sales environment that combines strong internal support with demanding external pressures, encouraging the team to stay collaborative, compliant, and responsible to market changes. Sales technique. PJB Securitas combine educational guidance with development-oriented coaching. The company emphasizes technique that adapt to client needs while strengthening the capability and confidence in each salesperson. The first one is educational and consultative selling. Prioritize clients' literacy, ensuring investors clearly understand product risk and sustainability before transacting. Situational coaching, where manager adjusts guidance based on salesperson's experience, skill level, and confidence, aligning with established sales coaching theory. Experiential learning for new members. New sales personnel receive direct field exposure supported by product knowledge, accelerating learning through real market practice. Diagnostic problem solving. When techniques become ineffective or larger lag, manage- managers analyze root because and provide corrective strategies to improve sales outcome. BJB Securitas applies sales techniques that are educational, adaptive, and grounded in situational coaching, allowing the sales team to continuously improve while maintaining strong, trust-based client relationship. Sales management. Sales management at BJB Securitas focuses on structured monitoring, team capability development, and leadership practice that guide the sales force toward collective performance goals. BJB Securitas implements sales management that blend structured oversight with supportive coaching, creating a system that strengthens performance while maintaining a positive and sustainable team culture. It is divided to 4 points, which the first one is weekly performance monitoring. Regular evaluation across branches ensure accountability, track progress, and identify early performance gap. The second one is coaching-based leadership. Manager use this discussion, guidance, and feedback to develop skill rather than relying on directive top-down instruction. The third one is team-oriented targeting, which manager emphasize team achievement over individual competition, promoting collaboration and shared responsibility. The last one is overload and well-being management. Rest periods, balanced task allocation, and team activities help prevent burnout and maintain productivity. Motivation and growth. Motivation and growth at BJB Securitas are driven by supportive culture and structured development practice that help sales personnel improve both performance and mindset. Balanced motivation. Sales teams are supported through incentive, recognition, and continuous encouragement. The second one is coaching for development. Managers provide guidance based on each member's experience and confidence level to support skill growth. Team support and well-being. Positive teamwork, open communication, and shared activity help maintain morale and prevent burnout. Through this practice, BJB Securitas fosters a work environment that builds strong motivation and sustainable growth across its sales team.
Self-control. Self-control at BJB Securitas focus on ensuring consistency performance through structured evaluation, data-driven monitoring, and behavioral discipline within the sales team. BJB Securitas applies structured control mechanism that balance measurable target with disciplined sales behavior, ensuring reliable performance across the team. Weekly performance evaluation across brands ensure progress and accountability. KPI monitoring and customer activity data helps manager costs before costs are missed. Combination of outcome-based and behavior-based control strengthen alignment with goals. Reward and punishment system maintain discipline and consistency. Monthly review allow early detection of performance gaps and corrective action. Next is sales and distribution analysis. BJB Securitas target market is based on amount of transaction in application, with each November target is around 250 billion rupiah worth of transaction. Weekly performance evaluation are conducted from the key factors. First is strong product knowledge, second is regular skill improvement programs, and third is sales activity data is used to guide sales toward more relevant target segments. Next is our recommendation for BJB Securitas. Key improvements are needed to strengthen consistency, monitoring, motivation, and capability development with the sales team. These steps will help BJB Securitas build a more consistent, motivated, and performance-driven sales organization. First is standardize SOP and roles. Create clear SOP and jobs description and sales workflow to reduce inconsistent across brands. Next is improve monitoring and KPI. Add measurable KPI, response time, prospecting quality, follow-up consistency, and service metric to support objective performance evaluation. Next is enhance non-financial motivation. Implement recognition program, structured feedback, and involvement in decision making to support morale and reduce burnout. And the last is develop clear growth pathway, establish structure, training, competency framework, and transparent promotion criteria to build a strong leadership pipeline. And it's our documentation with Mr. Richard from BGB Securitas. And to conclude this presentation, our analysis show that BJB Securitas has implemented sales and management practice that are structured, adaptive, and people-oriented. The company combines a strong sales perspective, a support sales environment, effective sales technique, and structured sales management. These elements help the sales team stay disciplined, motivated, and focus on long-term performance. Overall, BJB Securitas shows strong potential to build a more consistency, motivated, and sustainable sales organization. Thank you for watching this presentation. We hope this analysis provide useful insight. Thank you.